Yo, shalom, shalom. Today we're talking about the atmospheric dome under the flat earth. Not the dome that's described in the scriptures, really. It's more of kind of like the outer edges of what may be considered the first heaven, Yasha Ella. But this is actually how and where we see our sun. See, our sun is actually relative. Kind of like a rainbow. It's not really there. It's an image. It's a reflection. It's that kind of thing. See, the Malaks, they send down frequencies that create the sun right at the tip and edge of the first heaven, creating almost like an illusion of light in the sky, just like a rainbow, Yasha Ella, but much stronger, much more defined, if you will. But interesting enough, I came across all this information because it was bothering me, because the one thing I didn't understand on the flat earth that I didn't have an answer for was the southern star trails. Okay, Yasha Ella? Because in the south of the equator, it seems to give proof for the globe. It looks like all the stars are rotating around a center object, not quite like in the north where they're definitely rotating around Polaris, okay? But in the south, it seems from each continent that the stars are going around a center point and it looks like you're on a globe. Now, how could this be on a flat earth? How does it work? Well, I'll post the videos that help me to understand this. But the way it really works is the edge of the atmospheric dome, it gives a mirror reflection. It reflects and mirrors on a different part of the dome, making it appear a certain way. And if you want to really understand this, look in the videos in the description. But our moon does the same kind of thing riding in this atmosphere. When the atmosphere is really thick, the moon seems very large when it's rising. Same with the way the sun sets. It can appear very large. Or if it's a dry atmosphere, it can appear very small. Yasha Ella, it's quite amazing how these optical effects are in the flat earth. And the sun, when it hits the nitrogen in the sky, because the flat earth is like a big gas tank with compressed gases and electromagnetic energies around the North Pole, moving the bodies and all this, and you have the angels creating the effect in the sky and the angels regulating things. But the sun is not always what gives the light. It's actually the lit up nitrogen. The sun causes the nitrogen in the sky to light up and glow blue. And so we see a blue sky. And the menorah is actually a way of tracking the sun through the different gates in the sky when it rises and sets in order to keep the feast. So Hala Yahuwah. Shalom and much understanding to the 12 tribes scattered to the 4 corners. Shalom.